Hi, this is Joe from Boomer Adventurist. A few weeks ago I went down to Havre de Grace, Maryland. That's a little town in northern Maryland, right at the tip of the Chesapeake, right up top, and it's where the Susquehanna dumps out into the bay. I took my drone with me and shot some videos, so I thought I'd make a video and put it here on YouTube. So please take a minute to click on the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit the notification bell down below, and we'll be back in just a minute with that video.